Hello and welcome to this video on cloud computing. Today, we'll explore what cloud computing is, why it's so significant, and how it's transforming the world around us. At its core, cloud computing is a way to deliver computing services over the internet. These services include resources like servers, storage, databases, and applications, all hosted in secure data centers and made accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of relying on physical hardware on site, cloud computing allows businesses and individuals to use resources on demand without the need for owning or maintaining complex infrastructure. What makes cloud computing so transformative is how it has enabled innovation and growth on a scale that was previously unimaginable. Think about the apps and tools you use every day, storing photos in the cloud, streaming your favorite shows, or collaborating with others online. All of these rely on cloud computing to function seamlessly. The true value of cloud computing lies in its ability to share resources efficiently. Imagine if every business had to build its own IT infrastructure just to get started. It would be like every household building its own power plant to generate electricity. Instead, cloud computing provides a shared solution where resources can be used as needed, saving time, reducing costs, and enabling businesses to focus on innovation. Cloud computing has become a catalyst for some of the most exciting advancements in technology. For instance, artificial intelligence and machine learning rely heavily on cloud platforms to train models, analyze data, and provide insights. Tools like Google Drive and Microsoft Teams, which connect people around the world, run entirely on the cloud. With startups like Dari.io and Xturns.ai, we use the cloud to scale our services rapidly, creating new opportunities in tech, education, and hiring. Beyond just supporting businesses, cloud computing has revolutionized industries like healthcare, gaming, and entertainment, allowing them to deliver smarter, faster, and more personalized services. Whether it's processing large data sets for research, hosting massive online multiplayer games, or recommending content tailored just for you, the cloud is at the heart of it all. Understanding cloud computing is essential for anyone entering the tech world today. It's the foundation for so many technologies we depend on, and learning how it works will open doors to understanding and even contributing to the tools shaping our future. As we continue through this course, we'll dive deeper into the behind-the-scenes workings of cloud computing, uncovering the technology that makes it all possible. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand cloud computing, but also become highly skilled in its applications, preparing you for success in this transformative field. I'm really excited to have you on this journey, and I know you'll enjoy the rest of the course.